Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need some perler beads. I have some pony beads, letter beads, and some heart beads for later, but those are optional. You're also going to need scissors, a lighter, and a needle, and some string. And we're going to start with our outline. I'm grabbing some pink beads. You're going to put 2, 1, and I will get a close-up of this when I'm finished. Okay, we have our outline. Now we need to add the eyes. So what I'm going to do is count. This is one bead. There would be one here. It's going to be the 4th peg. And you do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to get a close-up of that. Okay, now that we have the outline, we need to fill all of these with pink beads. So I'm gently dropping pink beads inside the outline. If you want to put them in one by one, you can. I just like to do this. It's quicker. Oh, I forgot to mention, if you want to do this method, you'll need a toothpick. You'll take your finger and your toothpick and work together to move the beads upright. I really only need my finger when like one of the beads fell in between the pegs. To me, this just makes it go a little quicker. And then once I have most of it filled in, I'll go back through and fill in the little spaces. Okay, see, like these two are stuck in between a peg. Okay, guys, I'm going to go ahead and fill this in off camera, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Okay, guys, everything's filled in, and this is what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and leave this here for a minute, so if you want to stop the video to use this for a reference for your pattern. And I also did a full body, which I'm going to show you over here. And if you want to screenshot that or stop the video, you can. Now that we have both of those made, I'm going to go ahead and melt these off camera. And if you need any tips with melting, I do have a video under my Kandi tips playlist. You can look there for tips if you need them. But I'm going to go ahead and melt these, and then I'll come back and we'll put them on Kandi. Okay, guys, this is what they look like after I melted them. Now we're going to put both of these on bracelets, and you can attach these a few different ways. I'm just going to show you 2 ways. I have a needle, and I'm going to poke through these 2. Okay, put that one to the side, and then the large one, I'm going to poke through these 2 on the sides. So I already made the hole on this side to make it easier when we have the beads on and we need to go through there. And I'm going to tie this one on. Cut this off. And for the bracelet part, you can use whatever beads you want. You know what? I think originally I was just going to make this all blue, but I think I'm going to do the rainbow. I can't help myself. I changed my mind. I think I want to put a pony bead in between each one. Yeah, I like that better. Okay, we have that. Now, I'm going to go through the front. Because I want the knot on the back side. And now we can tie this. Okay, so that's one style. And I thought these would be cute for Easter, but they really would work for any time too. Okay, for this one, I will only do pink. Like, I do rainbow for everything, which isn't a bad thing, but try to switch it up. And then I have some letter beads, which I thought this would be cute to add. Whoa. That looks like a good size. Go ahead and tie this off. Okay. There they are. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.